Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to delve right into how to use Monday.com to streamline your HR workflows. First things first, let's create a new board. Go to the left sidebar and click New, then select Board. This new board will be your HR dashboard, where you'll manage everything from recruitment to employee onboarding and performance reviews. Having a dedicated board for HR workflows is crucial because it provides a central place for all HR-related tasks and data, making your work more organized and efficient. Now that we've done that, let's customize our board. Click Add Group and name it Recruitment. Inside this group, you can add items like job posting, screening, interview, and hiring. The reason we do this is to break down the recruitment process into manageable stages, which Monday.com visualizes as a progress pipeline. It's a great way to see at a glance where each candidate stands in the process. Next up, let's add columns to our items. For job posting, you might want columns for job title, posted date, and applicants. For interview, you could have columns like candidate, date, interviewer, and feedback. These columns allow you to track specific details about each stage of the recruitment process. They provide a clear picture of each candidate's journey, helping you make informed decisions. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Monday.com is essentially turning your HR workflows into a visual, interactive, and automated process. It's not just about tracking tasks, it's about optimizing your entire HR department. Now let's automate some tasks. Click on Automate on the top right of your board. Choose Template Center and select relevant HR workflows when a status changes to interview assigned to a person. This helps us because it eliminates manual work and ensures that tasks are promptly assigned to the right team members. Lastly, let's integrate. Click on your profile picture, select Admin, and then Integrations. Here, you can connect Monday.com with your existing HR software, like Greenhouse or Workable. Integration is essential because it allows for seamless data sync between different platforms, saving you time and reducing the risk of errors. And that's it. This is just the tip of the iceberg of what Monday.com can do for your HR workflows. So, explore, experiment, and don't be afraid to customize it to suit your needs. Remember, Monday.com is a powerful tool that can make your HR tasks easier and your workflows more efficient. Thanks for joining, and see you in the next video.